Morning, children. Today we shall revise Chapter 7 Safety in the House. Children, as I read, pay attention. A house keeps us safe from many things. Even then, we can get hurt in the house. There can be accidents if we are not careful. Some of these accidents are as follows. We can fall and hurt ourselves. We can cut ourselves with sharp objects. We can burn our skin. We can get an electric shock. Do you know, children, accidents occur when we are careless. We must be careful to avoid them. Now look at these pictures. See here, the first picture. The boy is running down the steps. When you run on the steps, you can fall and get hurt. Now here, if you play with sharp objects like knife, scissor, blade, we can cut ourselves. Now here, we can burn our skin if we go close to a gas stove when the water is boiling. You may burn yourself. Now in this picture, we can get an electric shock when we touch the switches with wet hands, or if we pull a plug without putting the switches off. Now these are the pictures which causes hurt. These accidents occur because of our carelessness. These accidents occur because of our carelessness. To avoid getting hurt, we must remember some simple rules. First, to avoid a fall, we should not leave toys or other things on the floor. Someone can trip over them and fall. So children, see this picture. When you play with your toys, do not leave the toys on the floor. Pick it up and keep it in the proper place. Not spill water on the floor. You can slip and fall. If by mistake, if any water is fallen on the floor, please wipe it. Do not run up and down the stairs or push anyone. Now children, to avoid getting cuts, do not play with knives or scissors. Can you say why, children? If you play with knives, scissors or blade, you can cut your finger. Use a sharpener to sharpen your pencil. Do not use a blade or a knife to sharpen your pencil. Use a sharpener. To avoid burns, do not play with matchboxes. You can cause a fire. Keep away from gas stoves and boiling water. Do not put your finger in the water. You will get burnt. To avoid electric shock, do not use wet hands to turn the switches on or off. If your hands are wet, children, you wipe your hands before touching the switches. Do not touch any plug points or electrical things. So children, we have to follow these simple rules to avoid getting hurt. We are safe when we are careful. We can follow safety rules to avoid getting hurt. The picture and put a cross on the ones that may cause accidents. Now look here, children, in the first picture. The girl is playing with a scissor. Can this cause an accident for her? Yes, this can cause accident. See the children playing in the garden. Can this cause accident? No. Now see the boy running down the steps and he was about to fall. Can this cause an accident? Yes. The child touching the hot boiling water pan. Can this cause an accident? Yes. See the child has left all her toys on the floor. Can this cause accident? Yes. See the water is spilled on the floor and is not wiped. Can this cause accident, children? Yes. Now circle the things that can cause injury. See blade. If you play with a blade, this can cause you injury. A ball. If you're playing with a ball, that doesn't cause you an injury. A skating board, if it's not kept in a proper place, can cause you injury. A knife, if you play with the knife, it can cause you injury. Chalk cannot cause you injury. Water spilled on the floor and is not wiped can cause you injury. And children, when your parents are not at home, do not play with any sharp objects that will cause you injury. So you have to be very careful. Now children, let's revise the question answers. Chapter 7, Safety in the House. Question 1. Answer the following questions. Children, repeat. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. How do accidents occur? How do accidents occur? Answer. Accidents occur when we are careless. Accidents occur when we are careless. So children, we should be very careful. Question number 2. Write whether good or bad. Write whether good or bad. Question number 1. Shyam does not leave toys or other things on the floor. Very good. Shyam does not leave his toys or other things on the floor. Good. Number 2. Rita uses wet hands to turn the switches on or off. Good or bad, children? Bad. Rita uses wet hands to turn the switches on or off. So before touching the switches, children, we need to wipe our hands dry. Number 3. Sita plays with knives and scissors. Sita plays with knives and scissors. Good or bad, children? Bad. Number 4. Ravi does not play with the matchbox. Ravi does not play with the matchbox. Good or bad? Good. Very good. Ravi does not play with the matchbox. Number 5. Raj runs up and down on the stairs. Raj runs up and down on the stairs. Good or bad, children? Bad. Very bad. So with this, we finish with our revision of chapter 7, Safety in the House. Thank you, children.